Hi there, welcome. If you are new here, good to have you. My name is Jasenia, and in my channel, I offer baking and cooking recipes as well as cake decorating. So I invite you to subscribe to our growing family and turn on that notification bell so don't miss any of my future videos. And in today's occasion, I'll be showing you how to make shrimp tamales right at home, and definitely easy to make. What you're going to need is a 3-pound masa bag and then a 1 pound of shrimp. Then you're going to need half of a onion, half of a jalapeno, and 1 Roma tomato besides 2 garlic pieces. You're also going to need a half a cup of lard and also a half a teaspoon of baking powder to add into your masa, besides your half cup of salsa and 2 more tablespoons of it that you want to add into your masa to give it more flavor, but then also to soften it up. I would also recommend to cut up like sliced potatoes the way that I did with the carrots to give it additional flavor and to put into your tamales. I do recommend making your tamales with the mozzarella cheese. Those are really good. Actually, those are my favorite. With just shrimp in there, no carrot, and just 2 handfuls of mozzarella cheese. So you want to begin by cooking your shrimp with about a teaspoon of each paprika, tomato bouillon, black pepper, salt, and then also I used the Red Lobster seafood seasoning in there as well, besides the garlic powder. And you want to also add in about 3 tablespoons of salted butter into your pan there, and then get that to come all together and incorporate it, and go ahead and cook up just a little bit, just about a couple minutes there, along with your onion, tomato, garlic, and the jalapeno. To give it flavor, go ahead and mix and mix. Okay, now once you see your shrimp looking like this, you want to go ahead and remove the onion, garlic pieces, jalapeno, and your tomatoes. And that's what you'll incorporate into your blender to go ahead and add that additional flavoring to your masa. So here you'll see me just setting aside the shrimp just in a separate bowl. Once you've gone ahead and added the vegetables, go ahead and blend all together there. And then we'll go ahead and move on to the next step of mushing up the lard to get it to a smooth consistency like this. And once it is pretty smooth, that's when you're ready to add in your masa. And a reminder, I mean, this is a 3-pound bag, but if you can't get them like by the pound request, you can certainly just get the 5-pound bag and use this quantity. If not, double. If you go with the 5-pound bag, go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder instead and use a full cup of the sauce that was blended here instead. Okay, once your masa is smoother, go ahead and add 2 dashes of salt into it, and besides your baking powder, and then continue to just mix, mix, mix. And then one trick that'll show you that masa is ready is when you pop it into a cup of water, it should float to the very top. So here I'm going in with the half cup of the sauce, in addition to 2 more tablespoons of it to give our masa more flavor. On another note, if you like your tamales to be a bit spicier, you can go ahead and add in those same ingredients, but add in 2 to 3 guajillo peppers when you're boiling or simmering your ingredients in with the shrimp. Or separately, you can go ahead and bring those ingredients to a boil along with your guajillo pepper. By those ingredients, I mean the onion, jalapeno, garlic, and your tomato. And your masa should look something like this. So we're now ready to go ahead and fill our tamales. Mind you, the corn husks that you'll want to get, you'll want to go ahead and soak in water before starting this process. So you want to choose the smooth side of the corn husk and then go ahead and plop in about 2 tablespoons of masa in there and just swipe it back and forth, sort of in a circular motion, and back and forth motion as well, to spread it all out, just like this. The last couple tamales, I added the shrimp along with 2 handfuls of mozzarella cheese just to try it out, and I definitely liked those way better. But in the meantime, I did set the water to fill just to the line on the bottom of this pan. Of course, it has like a vent underneath, but I did set it to high heat. And then once I had all of my tamales in there, I just set it to medium high heat and I timed it for just 45 minutes. That's all it needed to cook thoroughly. The way that you'll know that your tamale is ready is that it'll completely come off the corn husks when they're finished. Once your tamales are all set, then you will go ahead and just cover them with more corn husks and then cover with aluminum foil and then set the lid on it to go ahead and cook thoroughly. 45 minutes later, our tamales are ready and so delicious. And I hope you like this recipe and definitely try it out at home. I do have other flavors like within my channel here as far as beef chili tamales, and then also the cheese with the raja also listed in my channel. But I hope to see you in the next one, and thanks for stopping by. And once again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.